Hello everyone, it's me, Gecy, and today I have a bunch of different ingredients on my table today. And today we're gonna make some slime. We're gonna make some clear, transparent slime. So let's see what we need in order to make our slime. I have one big bowl that we're gonna put everything and make our slime with, and this bowl has some water in it. And then I have my measuring utensils here. I have half a cup. This is my half a cup. And I have a half a teaspoon. And I have 1 tablespoon. And I have 1 regular spoon so that we can mix our slime. I have some glitter here of all different colors. I have orange glitter, red glitter, pink glitter, yellow glitter, green glitter, and blue glitter. And then I also have my clear glue. You see this glue? You can see my fingers through it. This glue is clear and transparent, unlike other glues that are you can kind of see the color white and you wouldn't be able to see my fingers. This one is clear glue. We have this ingredient right here. This is called Saline Solution, and this ingredient is clear. It looks very much like water. It's very liquidy, and this is gonna help our slime be very sticky. And last but not least, we need baking soda. We need baking soda for our slime. And baking soda is like a white powder. So we're gonna need a little bit of this for our slime. All right, friends, now that we know what ingredients we need, let's put them together. Okay, friends, so the first step that we're gonna do is we are going to take our half a cup and our clear glue, and we're gonna fill our half a cup with the glue. So this is a lot of clear glue, and it looks like it is just enough for this recipe. So there you go. I just put half a cup of my clear glue into the measuring cup of half a cup, okay? And now we're gonna put it into our big bowl. Okay, so now that we have our bowl of clear glue, we are going to get our other bowl of warm water. This is a bowl of warm water. This is half a cup, right? And with our half a cup, we're gonna grab our half a teaspoon. This is my half a teaspoon, and we're gonna take some baking soda. So I'm gonna grab my baking soda. All right, so I just got half a teaspoon of my baking soda, and I'm gonna pour it into my warm water. And we're gonna make sure that this is warm water so that the baking soda is able to dissolve into our water. Looks like that. It looks like the baking soda disappeared into our water, right? And I'm just mixing it. There you go. All right, so now that we have our clear glue in our big bowl and we have our water solution with the baking soda, we're now gonna put these two together. So I'm gonna grab my spoon, and we're gonna slowly mix this into our glue mixture. Just like that. And with my spoon, I'm just slowly mixing it so I make sure that it's all mixed in together. Just like this. All right, so I'm just mixing my mixture together like so. Alright everyone, so now that I mixed in my water, my baking soda, and my clear glue, we're gonna add in a colored glitter. Let's add a red color right here, just cutting up the top of the glitter, and we're gonna add some like this. Whoa! Look at that. Alright, look at that. Gonna mix it in like this, and maybe we can also add in, it is almost Christmas time, so maybe I'm gonna add in some green, red and green for Christmas time. Alright, and here goes in our green. Wow, so colorful. There you go. So there is a mixture of some red and some green. Alright, so our next step is to add our saline solution, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of saline solution. We're just gonna pour it in. We're gonna pour it in like this and make sure that we're filling the top. And there you go. Now we're gonna pour it into our mixture and mix it in. And this is the ingredient that will make it slimy like this. Just gonna mix it quickly like this. Whoa, look at the slime. Well, now that I'm mixing it and it's getting very slimy like this, we're gonna just add in a few more drops of the saline solution to make it a little bit more slimier. Because the saline solution is what really helps this slime be very slimy, like that. Whoa, it's really turning into slime. So now, just before I pick up my slime, I'm gonna put a little bit of saline solution on my hand so that it doesn't get super duper sticky. And then, I'm gonna pick up the slime. Whoa, it is very slimy. This can be very, very messy. Whoa. Look at the slime, everybody. Look at that. The slime is so sticky that it's able to become very clean off the bowl. So here is a closer look at the slime. It is very slimy and sticking all over my fingers. But I'm also able to clean off all the slime easily off my fingers. All right, so now I have my slime on the table. Looks like this. It is very slimy and sticky. And if you look very closely, you can see a little bit of the red and green sprinkles that we added, right? Alright everyone, so this is my slime complete. I thought it'd be fun if we added a little bit of food coloring, and I chose yellow. So let's see what happens when I put 2 drops of yellow food coloring. And we're gonna fold it like this so that it doesn't go all over our hands, right? Because food coloring can stain our fingers. Look at that. There, I see the yellow. And you want to be folding in the color like that. Oh my. And there's a little bit going on my table, so we're going to clean that up with the slime. And there you go. Look at our yellow slime. It's very stretchy and very sticky. I'm gonna try to roll it into a ball like this. And when I roll it into a ball and I put it down like this, look at what happens. It starts to stretch out, it starts to expand, which means that it's getting bigger, right? And I can even poke my fingers like this, and you can hear a sound. And you can fold it. If you look very closely, you can see the red and green glitter, right? Alright friends, I hope you had fun watching me make slime. Look at this. And I hope you guys are even able to make some slime at home. You can have some fun with your family, your parents, and your siblings. Look at that. Super stretchy. If you guys want to make this slime at home, everything, all the ingredients and the steps and the recipe will be in the description. So you guys can also make your slime, and you can make it any color you'd like, and you can add any type of glitters and anything that you'd like. Alright friends, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!